Hi, hello everyone. My name is Mimi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you an eye makeup tutorial, an eyeliner tutorial, because I recently switched up how I did my eyeliner and I love the result better than the way I had been doing my eyeliner previously, and I wanted to show it to you. So if you have hooded eyes like I do, it will help you out. But first, if you haven't already, please hit that subscription button and subscribe. Now, on to the video. Okay, so I've got my base makeup on and I have done my eye makeup on this side the way I normally do, which is just a liner. Brown eyeliner on my top lashes and mascara, and on this side I still have on brown eyeliner, but as you can see it's a little bit different. It looks softer and still defined, and it looks much better under my glasses. It looks less harsh, and it looks more sultry and just absolutely more flattering in my opinion, especially against my cat eye glasses. Gives my eyes more definition. So I am going to show you how I did this on my right eye, and I'm going to clean this off and I will be right back. Okay, so for this eyeliner look, I am going to still be using liquid eyeliner. I'm using the NYX Brown, but I'm also going to be using a brown eyeshadow. This is the Ziva Beauty Brazilian Brown. And then I'm going to be highlighting my eye using this NYX Epic Wear eyeliner in the color Rose Gold, this one. And then I'm also going to be using a little pencil brush. This is a generic one from Amazon, and a tight liner brush. This one's from Beauty Tools. This is a teeny tiny one, as you can see right there. So, as you can see, I'm going to be showing you how to do this look on this eye, and it's really easy. It's actually, the powder liner makes putting on the liquid liner so much easier. It's just brilliant. It kind of smokes it out and hides any unevenness and mistakes. I'll show you what I mean as I do my eye. So I've got I'm gonna load up my liner, my pencil liner brush, tap off, and then you're going to draw a wing. I always do this because my eyelash is curly and they curl upward, so anything I do above my eye kind of gets in the way. So I'm going to draw a wing. And I'm going to use the edge of my hood right there and elongate that line. Now from there, I'm going to put a little more powder onto my brush. I am going to start from the wing, go under my eye. Kind of smoke that out. Do you see that? Now that that's done, make sure they're even. Yeah, very even. Now that that's done, I'm going to put that definition around my eye with the shadow. I'm going to use my eyeliner thin wing. And that's it. I'm gonna let that dry for a second, and I'm gonna go back over that top line with some more shadow. Can you see? No, actually, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna go right in with my mascara to finish the eye. And I'm using the Maybelline Green Edition mascara. I love this stuff. It's so black. And that's it. That is the final eye makeup look. Do you see? Isn't that beautiful? It's so soft and pretty, and it gives such beautiful definition to my eye without that harsh line, and elongates and cat eyes. It's just a really good technique for opening up hooded eyes and giving definition to hooded eyes under glasses. It will work with any color. So I use brown, that's what I like to use every day, but I've tried it with other colors and it works with other colors, blues, greens. It really does work. So if you like this tutorial, give me a 2 thumbs up and subscribe, and if you didn't, give me a thumbs down and tell me how I can improve. My name's Mimi, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.